Stravo Mystic members. So, if you don't have lightning bugs where you are, that's what those little tiny flashes of light are. And this is pretty much about the time they start coming out. And usually there's a lot in the fields, like near where I'm standing right now. It's pretty cool. I remember the field across my parents' house had a swarm of them one summer. It was amazing, but of course back then we didn't have a video camera or cell phones to record something like that, which really sucks. Because it was just like an ocean of blinking dots. It was so neat. But you can see there's quite a few of them out tonight. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little clip. And have a wonderful evening.